Would you like to know exactly what to eat to lose fat and get healthy without giving up your favorite foods or starving yourself? Then watch this video to the end as we take a deep dive into one of the world's most effective weight loss diet programs known as the Custom Keto Diet. This Custom Keto Diet review takes an in-depth look at how this 8-week keto diet program can help you lose weight and keep it off for good. Are you ready to lose some fat and gain a perfect shape? What is the Custom Keto Diet? The Custom Keto Diet is an 8-week keto diet program that helps you lose body fat. The keto diet plan has gained a lot of popularity worldwide. Its increasing popularity is a clear indication of its effectiveness. Millions of satisfied users recommended the Custom Keto Diet. Unlike most of the other diet plans, the Custom Keto Diet plan focuses on fat loss rather than weight loss. The keto diet helps your body burn the excess fat in a healthy yet natural manner. What is inside the Custom Keto Diet plan? Your Custom Keto Diet plan must be based on your unique specifications. It needs to be put together as per your needs and conditions. For your diet to be effective, your diet plan must be made keeping various parameters in mind. That includes your body weight, food habits, daily activity level, objectives, and lifestyle. Doing all this work requires a great deal of planning and extensive research. That is what the Custom Keto Diet plan does for you. It puts together a unique plan for you to follow based on the info you give about yourself. Keep in mind that this is not just any ordinary diet plan. It is specifically customized for you. The 8-week Custom Keto Diet plan offers you a carefully brewed meal plan, which particularly addresses your diet requirements. The diet program is customized in such a way that it makes it smooth for you to adapt to a ketogenic meal plan. The ketogenic meal plan includes meals that are super easy to make and easier to follow. Also, you are provided with the nutritional value info for each of your meals. You are always kept in the know of what you are doing and how it will help you achieve your goal. This is done to ensure that you fully understand your diet. Why are the Custom Keto Diet meals effective? The custom meal plan includes meals that are easy to make and beneficial for the body. These meals are highly nourishing and have excellent nutritional value as well. Particularly speaking, the 8-week keto diet meals contain a small amount of carbohydrates, a moderate amount of proteins and a large amount of usable fat. Overall, the keto diet plan works on the principle of ketosis. What is ketosis? Ketosis is a process that happens when your body doesn't have enough carbohydrates to burn for energy. Instead, it burns fat and makes things called ketones, which it can use for fuel. Ketosis can have some health benefits beyond weight loss. Doctors may put children who have epilepsy on a keto diet because it can help prevent seizures. Some research suggests that ketogenic diets might help lower your risk of heart disease. Other studies show that specific diets very low in carbs help people who have diseases such as metabolic syndrome, insulin resistance, type 2 diabetes. Benefits of following Custom Keto Diet plan: it is a quick weight loss plan that is best for an upcoming occasion, big day, or to shed vacation weight. It is based on a scientifically proven method and uses only healthy food sources. A step-by-step guide on weight loss explaining how to achieve the target weight. It gives a complete list of foods to select as per personal preferences. An accurate diet plan is based on every user's microcalories and macrocalories. A complete grocery list for shopping that can be downloaded. Another option for extra customization. It is best for people looking for more weight to shed or have underlying conditions that may affect their weight loss. What makes the Custom Keto Diet plan the unique diet plan that it is? There are two reasons for the popularity of the Custom Keto Diet plan. Firstly, this diet plan is based upon the ketogenesis action that simply is the best way to lose weight. The effectiveness and success of this diet are supported scientifically. The core principle of the custom keto diet plan is that it works on burning fat for energy. It targets fat consumption rather than shedding weight, which quite evidently is the healthier way of achieving the objective. As the very name of the plan suggests, the custom keto diet plan is a customized diet plan which is tailor-made for you. It keeps your parameters in mind and gives you goals that are best suited for your needs and conditions. In turn, it yields you the best results that you will not get from any random diet. It is very easy to grasp and easier to follow as it does not thrash random restrictions upon you. This plan is your plan. What does a keto diet look like? To give you an idea of what does your meal entail within a keto diet, we have prepared you a list of keto-friendly food items and a similar list of anti-keto foods. Keto-friendly foods. These are the foods that stimulate ketosis in the body by increasing the fat concentration against carbohydrates. 1. Poultry, e.g. chicken, turkey, etc. 2. Eggs, e.g. pastured eggs. 3. Meat, e.g. venison, pork, bison, etc. 4. Fatty fish, e.g. salmon, herring, mackerel, etc. 5. Nuts and seeds, e.g. almonds, walnuts, peanuts, pumpkin seeds, etc. 6. Fat-rich cheese, e.g. mozzarella, cream cheese, goat cheese, etc. 7. Fat-rich dairy, e.g. yogurt, butter, cream, etc. 8. Fat-rich oils, e.g. olive oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, sesame oil, etc. 9. Avocados, e.g. whole avocados. 10. Starchless vegetables, e.g. green vegetables, broccoli, tomatoes, mushrooms, etc. Anti-keto foods. Food items that contain an abundant amount of carbohydrates are an obstruction to your keto diet. You should cut down on the consumption of these food items. 1. Baked items and bread, e.g. white bread, wheat bread, cookies, donuts, etc. 2. Sugar-rich foods, sugar, coconut sugar, ice cream, maple syrups, etc. 3. Sweetened beverages, e.g. soda, juice, sports drinks, etc. 4. Pasta, noodles, spaghetti, etc. 5. Grain products, e.g. wheat, rice, oats, cereals, tortillas, etc. 6. Starch-rich foods, e.g. potatoes, sweet potatoes, corn, peas, etc. You should avoid processed foods and saturated fats, such as those found in fast foods, packaged foods, hot dogs, etc. You should also keep away from foods that contain additives like artificial colors, preservatives, or sweeteners like aspartame. Side effects of custom keto diet. The custom keto diet plan is getting a highly positive response from its users. Almost all of them were able to see a drastic change in their weight and body measurements. Based on a scientifically proven ketogenic diet, there are few undesirable effects. In addition to this, it brings faster results and doesn't require starving its user from delicious foods. This is why people are more inclined to try it and stick with it. What do you get with the custom keto diet plan? You get the following perks alongside the 8-week custom keto diet plan. An 8-week-long meal plan is supported by scientific evidence and has taken months of research from experienced producers. An instruction guide that gives you step-by-step guidance and detailed insight into what and how you are going to achieve. A vast range of food items, easy-to-use recipes with easier-to-follow plans. A specially curated diet plan which checks your macro and micro-calorie intakes. A choice to further customize the plan if you feel like it. A grocery list. Downloadable. Overall, You are presented with a diet plan that is super easy to follow. You are given a strong plan that is certain to work. Also, since the whole plan is dedicated to you specifically, making any kind of modifications is only a matter of minutes. Where to buy the custom keto diet plan? You can buy the 8-week custom keto diet plan from the official website available via the link in the description below. They have a special promotion that allows new users to receive the plan for just $1. For that price you have no excuse to not give the plan a try. We know you will be absolutely thrilled that you decided to make the switch to a keto diet. You get access to the plan instantly so that you can go ahead and start right away. Plus, the program is backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee. Our final verdict. In a nutshell, the custom keto diet plan is a modern, effective, and scientific approach towards one of the majorly prevalent problems in today's world. It addresses the problem head-on and deals directly with it without imposing a curfew over your general appetite, and without having side effects. It stands true on what it promises and is highly recommended by the users. The 8-week-long custom keto diet plan is a value for money. It is a diet plan that is all natural and healthy and keeps you at the center of its priorities, therefore, it is definitely worth your while. In the unlikely event that you are unsatisfied, the program has a 60-day 100% money-back guarantee. So, what are you waiting for? Get started with your custom keto diet today by clicking on the link in the description below. We hope you have enjoyed watching this custom keto diet review video. If you have any questions or comments regarding this product, please leave them in the comments section below and we will respond as soon as possible. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to receive the latest and most detailed weight loss product reviews.